Check your clocks. It's Italian time, guys. Today we're gonna practice with the verb volere because it really makes some weird constructions in Italian, maybe something you're not used to. Let's start. So in English, if you say I want you to be happy, the construction of this sentence is different from how you would say it in Italian. In Italian, instead of saying I want you to be happy, you basically say I want that you are happy. So we have a subject, a verb, an object in English, I want you, and then an infinitive, to be happy. In Italian, they'll have the subject and the verb and then che. So for example, io voglio che, tu vuoi che, lui vuole che. And then instead of an object, we repeat the new, not repeat, but use the new subject. So if the subject is me, it's going to be you want me, vuoi che io, so it's a subject, not an object, and then the verb, which is actually conjugated in the congiuntivo. So if you already are good enough to understand that, what do you guys think the answer to you want me to help? This is not a question, just a statement. You want me to help? How would you say that in Italian? Pause the video if you have to. 3, 2, 1. So we would say vuoi che io aiuti. So there are a few things to notice here. First of all, you want, of course, is vuoi in the present. And then you don't say vuoi io, vuoi me. You have to say vuoi che. And then, yes, I'm the new subject here, so io. And then why is it io aiuti? It's because we have to use the congiuntivo. So tu vuoi che io aiuti. You want me to help. Okay? What about the next one? Do you want to come? Don't overthink this. It's easier than you think. Do you want to come? How do you say that in Italian? 3, 2, 1. So this one is vuoi venire. So of course, there's no change of subject. There's no new subject and there's no object here. It's do you want to come? Vuoi venire. So don't overthink it. Only time we're going to use this construction is when we have a new subject, or in English, a new object. Like I want you, I want him, I want it, I want those to be, okay? If you just have I want to go, he wants to see, just use the standard conjugation and then an infinitive in Italian. But let's continue on to number 3. What about I want you to come? Pause the video. 3, 2, 1. So I want you to come would be voglio che tu venga. So of course venire conjugated in the congiuntivo would be venga. And this is all still present tense. So io voglio che tu venga. This tu is not really completely necessary, but for practice and just to be extra clear, I like to put it. So voglio che tu venga. Next, she wanted us to watch it. So now we have a new challenge because we're going to the past tense. So how would you say this? And I'll give you a hint. She wanted, that should be imperfetto. What do you think? 3, 2, 1. So to say she wanted us to watch it, we can say lei voleva che noi lo guardassimo. So the key here is to use an imperfetto with volere and then an imperfetto congiuntivo as well. So guardassimo or guardassi, io guardassi, lui guardasse. So you'll always use those when you have volere in the imperfetto too. So she wanted that it watch. She wanted us to watch it, okay? Next, I wanted to be the smartest in the room. What do you think? Pause the video. 3, 2, 1. So again, this one is similar to do you want to come? There's no new object, so it's simpler than you think. I wanted to be. Volevo essere il più intelligente nella stanza. Il più, the smartest. Il più intelligente in the room nella stanza. Okay, so I tried to trick you there. I hope you didn't fall for it. Volevo essere. Let's do 4 more. Do you need me to play? So this is a new verb. We're going to use servire, and it does a similar thing as volere. So how would you say do you need me to play, as in suonare, like an instrument? Pause the video if you have to. 3, 2, 1. So as I said, we're going to use servire, and you need, we say ti serve, like it serves you that I suonare, and again, still in the congiuntivo. So ti serve che io suoni with a strange I finish there. It's not tu, it's not second person. It's still first person, I, but it's in the congiuntivo. So it's io suoni. So ti serve che io suoni? Same verb. What about I need him to do it for me? Not easy. What do you think? Pause the video. 3, 2, 1. So here again, I need that he does it for me. So yes, we do have the object I need him and then an infinitive. So you know in Italian it's going to be mi serve che, the new subject, lui, and then the new congiuntivo. So mi serve che lui lo faccia per me. Me, it serves that he, it does for me. So you have to start to get used to that Italian mind, that Italian construction and syntax. Let's do 2 more. She wanted him to be sweeter. This one, I think you guys can do it if you've been paying attention. She wanted him to be sweeter. 3, 2, 1. So here we would say, lei voleva che lui fosse più dolce. So again, we have the imperfetto congiuntivo here with fosse. And then up here as well, imperfetto. I didn't write lei. Maybe it would be already implied, but yes, you would also say lei. Voleva che lui fosse sweeter, more sweet, più dolce. Last but not least, did he want me to finish the project? Okay, so now I have a question. Luckily in Italian, not much changes in a question. Hint, hint. Pause the video, guys. 3, 2, 1. So even though it's a question, the construction and the word order is as if it were a statement, because in Italian there's no new question construction. So it's still voleva, so we're still sticking with the imperfetto because it's in the past tense. Did he want? Voleva che mi, so io, finissi il progetto. So maybe lui voleva che io finissi il progetto. So really the only thing that changes in the construction is the intonation, like voleva che io finissi il progetto. And that's it. So now you guys can see some good examples of constructions with volere, and also even with like I need you to, like ti serve che, mi serve che. A key is just using this che instead of going directly to the object. So I hope you guys learned something as always from this video, and I will catch you next time. Close your clocks. Italian time's over. Peace.